Second game against Trophy Club Bobcat Blue. You hit reset, I think. This is the second batter, man on first, top of the first.
Strike three.
Foul ball. What happened? Samuels going to second. Nice play. Called and safe. Nice try, Jackson.
Foul ball.
And then got him out at first. Clayton, nice job. All right, Jackson's up to start the bottom of the first.
All right, let's play.
Let's one go. Hit to the third baseman, all the way to the outfield. And throw it in. Nice hit, Jackson. Grayson's up. Gray's up. Hop fly. Caught by the second baseman. Jackson's still on first. Clayton. Big hit to the outfield. All the way to the fence. Jackson's going to third. Clayton safe at first. Nice hit, Clayton. Samuel's up. Another foul. Big hit straight outfield. They missed it. They almost had it. And he got the force. He was tagging up. Taylor's up. Hop fly infield. And they got it. Oops. Top of the second. Nice throw, but nice throw. It just got just a little late. That was a real nice play. To the pitcher. Samuel gets him out. Clayton runs it. Good job. Big hit to the outfield. He caught it. Is that Paul? I think that was Paul. Throws it into Jackson. Excellent. Big hit to right all the way to the wall on the warning track. Coach telling him to run it in. Don't go for the play at the plate. Don't want to let that runner keep going. Tag him, yeah! Woo! Got the play at the plate. Excellent! Way to go, Jacob! Woo! Samuel, way to go! All right. Hope I got that on tape. Okay, bottom of the second. Mason's up. Score is Keller 1, Trophy Club Blue 3. Big hit, Mason. Oops, Mason.
on, Jimmy.
Jimmy's up.
Yeah.
Big hit right up the third baseline, all the way up there. Coach holds him at second. Mason's at second. Jimmy's on first. Walker's up.
Yeah.
Big hit to the outfield. Big hit. Hits the fence.
Good hit, bud.
Yeah. Run scored. Mason, way to go. Good base running. Score's now 3-2. Paul's coming up. Jimmy made it to third. Men at first and third. Foul ball. Another foul ball. 2 strikes. 3 more pitches. Paul hits it up to the third baseman. They're going to try and get him at the second. They got him out. Try to get a different camera angle here so the umpire doesn't keep getting in the way. That's Jacob. Nice big hit to second. They forced the ball out. I can't see what I'm doing. Hit. And they caught it. That's 3 outs. It's perfect left team. Pretty good in the field. At the end of 3, at the end of 2 rather, it's 3-3.
Come on, buddy, come on. Run it out, run it out.
Got him. Nice play, Keller. Woo! Paul with the big throw. Samuel with the big catch. 1 out. Top of the third.
Come on, guys.
Big hit. Coming to Samuel again. Good stop. Good stop, Samuel. Way to stop it. Play, runner is safe. Big hit to third to Paul.
Get here, get here, get here.
Got him safe. 2 men on. Bottom of the third. Taylor's got it. Man at second. Was about to turn the double.
Go, 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 go. 2, 2. He's backing him up. Second. Hold it.
2 runs scored, goes now 5-2. Runner scored, 6-3, 2 outs, top of the third. Big hit. Sorry about the camera work. Jacob and Taylor both went for it. Couldn't quite get it right over second.
Go, Trey.
Got the fourth, if you can get it. All right, Taylor. Got the fourth.
All right, here we go. Play,